Diana, how are you?
Mhm.
Okay, you get started, okay? Are you doing okay so far?
Um,
Yeah?
I'm not sure how to like fix. I'm not sure how to like fix this, like this code.
Okay, show me. This call, let's see. Help, I'm trying to give the whatever. Can you fix it? Their case within two of the reset sequence number, but the call I wrote either doesn't work. Okay. So you say that it works, so on change, actually you get the text. That is a text. So here, this one is the get text. Get text is a string. So you actually get a string. So you may want to get, okay, you may want to convert this one to an integer. Okay, not doing it yet, okay? So right here, when you get text, it's actually give you a string, right? You may want it to be a number. So that number, right now, this one is a string. You need to convert it to a number. So anyway, here you have available guess, that's fine. There's my number is here, so you actually within two, so your my number is 6. My number is 6, and then it says that the guess is within two of the numbers, so you have the 6. So you are expecting 4, 5, 6, and then there may be two over, maybe 1 and 2, because it's 1 to 6, right? I'm not sure. Or you, if it is actually is 7 and 8. So it's not plus 2. It's within 2. Within 2 is not using the greater than. You have to use a what is within 2 then? I have a number that is 6. How could I say a number x is within 2 of the 6? You need to use a x minus 6 less than equals 2. That means this x is within 2 of that. So here you have a number conversion problem. Here you need to worry about a range. Or you can use a greater than this 2 or less than the 2. Greater or the guess, actually greater, so the number is here, greater than is over here, less than is over here. What you want to have is actually not these. Actually, what you want to have is this one in the range. So the range is wrong. Is okay?
Yeah.
Think about it, okay? That's what I see right now. You work on it, okay? I'll come back, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll come back. Now, next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. Okay, Shani, before we get started, let me discuss with you. Click this Java. Click on the Java. Click this Java here. This one. Click this Java. Okay. Number one, okay. Number one, because your goal is to prepare you for AP exam, right? Shani, hear me?
Yeah.
So not everything is for AP exam, okay? So what you need to do is actually, I will need you to finish this warm up 1, 2, and then level 1, level 2 up to here. So warm up 1, warm up 2, string 1, array 1, logic 1. So level 1, string 1, array 1, logic 1. Level 2, logic 1, string 1, array 2, and warm up 2. These are what you need to cover. And pull down a little bit. Let's pull down a little bit. Another one that you need to cover is this AP one. So this AP is APCS medium problem. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So these are what you need to have up to here. Level 3 not needed. Level 3 not needed. Recursion not needed. Recursion, if you want to do it, is okay, but these are not needed. And then anything on the right side, not needed. So before the AP exam, before you are ready for AP exam, you need to finish up to the line I draw for you. Okay, this is what's suggested for AP student. And then if you are interested in more than that, you want to do it after AP exam, this portion, you are okay to try, okay?
Okay.
So finish up to this line right here. And then if you have more time, still want to prepare for AP, this recursion is okay to try. Even when you prepare for AP, this is okay to try, okay? Beyond that, it's not needed, okay? We can do it later, okay? So don't give yourself too much pressure. Just try it, okay? Now go back to your string one, move up. So string one, are you done with string one? You log in first, okay? Are you done with string one? If you are done with the string one, at this time done, then you can go this one or this one. Any of the, okay, then go for any of the level one. Okay, continue. I don't want to give you too much pressure because you are only for AP exam. Well, one moment, okay? Let me show you another way to write this one. So this one, it has the is weekend, and then so a better way to do it is that's it.
Okay.
This is a tighter way to write it, okay?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. You continue, okay? Liana, your turn. So Liana, are you done with the previous one?
Yeah, I
You
got
fixed
it.
it already? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, you continue, okay? Next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. Move this one to the first line. Usually when there is an exception, means that this one need to go first. Logically, when someone say this, everybody need to drive under 60 miles per hour, with the exception that someone who is older than 80, they can drive below 40, right? Then which rule go first? Of course, the one that have the exception go first. Is that okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. One more. This one is simple. Always take care of the otherwise or exception first. Just return the temperature greater than 60 and the temperature less than 90. There's no need to do this else if, because anything already is else. Because right here, if it is summer, summer already returned this, already returned. So anything after the first line is not summer. Okay, anything after the first line is already not summer. You don't need to else if. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, next one, go back to Liana. Liana, your turn. Okay, you studied. Okay, let me know if you have question. This one end, you will have this and this end together. So you probably this one you need to have a parenthesis up to here. So it's a day or day and another things. Okay.
Okay.
They always process end first before or. So or is like plus, and a little bit like multiply. So you have to or end first. That's okay. You actually want to do what? You want to write slip in. Something's wrong. It's very weird. Oh, you make a mistake right here. This one is equal sign, double equal sign. It's not single. Yeah, that's the problem you have. Okay, you continue. Okay, let's go back to Shelly. Shelly, your turn. Hi, Shelly, your turn. What's the problem you have?
It says there's a missing return statement.
There's a missing return statement because you have everything within if. Everything within if, so nothing outside of the if. So right here, less than, greater, and then you just do this. You have This one 60 has a problem.
Oh, I think
65 had a problem. You forget the equal sign, I think.
yeah.
Okay, one more. Okay, thank you. Continue, okay? This one, let me have, Liana, your turn. Yeah.
For this one,
Mhm.
when I input Sunday, it still said for school and not for the weekend.
Here, your if is very complicated. Okay, let's actually look at the. Could you move up on the if else right here? This part. Can you move up a little bit on here? I want to look at here. So your logic is actually number one. You need to deal with. Go up a little bit. Not here. The weekend. The rule about the weekend. No, let me see. This portion, you have to have the if weekend, then you have two part. This one has under 18 and not under 18. And then else is not a weekend. Then you have under 18 and not 18. This is better. Right now you are not. Right now you are actually, this one mixed with the time and the age. Don't do that with the time and the age. You just use a weekend, not weekend, weekend or not weekend. And then weekend has the 18 or under 18. And now weekend also has 18 and not under 18. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, try it, okay? Let me come back later. Shani, your turn. Sorry, Shani, for the waiting. Shani, are you okay so far?
Yeah.
Can you go? Let me see. Unreachable statement. Okay, you have the one wrong.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, it's very simple here. If outside this, and where is your fourth part? So this is the problem right here, okay? This is the problem right here. Your logic is actually mixed as well. So what I would say is that right now you will return true only when this and this happen. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you have the outside mode, but this doesn't happen, what will happen? You don't handle it. You may go into check this condition and return true. That maybe is wrong. So that's actually what happened right here. So to handle that, actually it's not hard. You actually should just make things more simplified. You just right here, this one is very simple. You just do this. You just do this one. If outside mode, you just return this guy. Okay. And then if not outside mode, then you just return this guy.
Oh,
There's no need to put so many if else there. You will just make things more complicated and make things wrong. You see?
okay.
Your problem right now, previous problem is that you have an outside mode and then something else. So when this outside mode happen, but this other things doesn't happen, you have nothing to handle it. Okay, and you go through the next one. Next one will check this condition. Then maybe originally is false, but you become true. That actually is not what you wanted. So outside mode just handle whatever outside mode is. Okay, make the logic keep simple. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, one more problem. You actually too short. One more. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Vienna, your turn. Okay, you continue, okay? Next one, let me have Shani, your turn. Okay. This one we have the Rihanna, your turn. Okay, thank you. You continue, okay? Next one we have Shani, your turn. Shani, you're getting better, okay? I think you are okay now. Just take your time. Practice small problem, okay?
Okay.
Level 1, you are okay now. But you need level 2 to pass the AP exam. You will need that. You missed somewhere. Check it, okay? Something's wrong. Okay. Okay, excellent. Let me have Vienna. Vienna, your turn. Okay, Vienna, right now you already finished the majority of the app design. Okay, the basic function you already finished. Now you need to look at the whole system view, okay? How to build a whole app. So read this carefully, study it and practice this lesson 10. And then there's a second half. Second half, you will need to build a whole app by yourself, okay? And then after that, you will build your own design, okay?
Okay.
What is this? What are you trying to do here?
Like it picks a random number and then that square becomes
Yeah, this is a random number, but here why you need to have this string button. Why do you need to have this string button plus?
because for the ID of it, because like the ID is not just the numbers.
So you need to have the button button string. You're missing this right side code. You miss this right side code. Yeah. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Okay. Next one, let me have Shani. We are almost 9 o'clock, okay? Next one, Shani, probably last problem. You have 3 Boolean variable, morning, mom, and asleep. So if asleep, what happened?
You don't answer.
Yeah, so that one return false first. Anything else is not asleep. Not asleep, then you check if morning and mom, you return true. If not is. Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you, when there are 3 Boolean variable, you need to know which one is the main one. Which one is the main? Right here, it's asleep is main. Because once it's asleep happen, you don't care about anything else. That's the main Boolean variable. When you have 3 Boolean variable, usually it's like true or false on the first one, true or false on the first one, true or false. So this one we call it main one. The main one right here is asleep. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, any questions so far?
No.
How about Liana? You have any question?
No.
Okay, if no question, that's it for today. Okay, good night and bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.